Hello everybody, Fadi is here. Today is a great day in Revit community because Revit 2023 has been launched. So, what's new in Revit 2023? The first new feature is update the logo. I don't know why, but it's the logo. The second thing is the change in the project browser here. So as you see here in Revit 2022 there was no any mark here, but in Revit 2023 there will be a blue mark here. This represents that the view in the project browser are put in the sheet. The third update is pick up work plane. So if you remember in Revit 2022 before, if we wanted to customize or create a model in a place and set our custom plane, we had to click set and then pick a plane to select our custom plane. But now in Revit 2023 you can select pick work plane directly. The next update is 3D measure. So in Revit 2022 we were disabled to use this feature, but now in Revit 2023 you have the ability to measure in 3D. The last thing that I want to show you is the updates in Dynamo for Revit. For Dynamo, firstly Dynamo library appearance has been changed. Also Dynamo nodes appearance have a new look and more arranged inputs requirements. Moreover, in my opinion, grouping in Dynamo will have a nicer look and arrangement. Finally, I would like to recommend you to follow up with these guides if you need more information about what is new in Revit 2023. That's all for today. If you were interested, I'm asking you to like the video and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.